the DJI Avata 3. If you're a drone enthusiast, a filmmaker, or just someone who loves cutting-edge tech that lets you soar through the skies like never before, you're in for a treat. Today, we're peeling back the layers on the latest leaks about the DJI Avata 3, straight from 2025's hottest whispers in the drone world. And trust me, by the time we're done, you'll be counting down the days until this beast hits the shelves. But let's not jump ahead. Stick with me, because I'm about to reveal details that could change how you fly forever. Picture this. You're strapped into your FPV goggles, heart pounding, as your drone blasts off at speeds that make your current setup feel like a toy. That's the promise of the Avata 3. According to insiders who've been dropping hints all year, back in May 2025, the first prototype surfaced in leaked videos, showing a sleek, redesigned body that's got everyone talking. It wasn't just a minor tweak. This thing looked like DJI had taken everything we loved about the Avata 2 and cranked it up to 11. And as the months rolled on, more details trickled out from reliable sources, painting a picture of a drone that's not just faster or smarter, but a game changer for FPV flying. Let's start with the heart of any great drone: the camera. The Avata 2 was solid with its 1/1.3-inch sensor, but leaks suggest the Avata 3 is stepping up to a full 1-inch CMOS sensor. Yeah, you heard that right. A bigger sensor means sharper images, better dynamic range, and footage that pops even in tricky lighting. Imagine capturing 4K video at a buttery smooth 120 frames per second. That's not just for slow-mo highlights. It's for creating cinematic masterpieces that rival professional film gear. And get this, there's talk of 8K burst modes for those ultra-high-res stills. If you're into aerial photography, this could be the drone that finally bridges the gap between hobbyist and pro-level output. But what about low-light performance? The leaks point to enhanced HDR capabilities and improved noise reduction. So those dusk flights over cityscapes or through foggy forests, they'll look stunning, with details emerging from shadows that your current drone would miss entirely. Now, I know what you're thinking: great camera, but can it handle the speed? Oh, absolutely. The Avata 3 is rumored to hit top speeds of up to 140 kilometers per hour. That's a massive jump from the Avata 2's 97 kilometers per hour in sport mode. How are they pulling this off? Redesigned aerodynamics, lighter materials, and beefed up motors that deliver more thrust without sacrificing stability. Leaks from August showed prototypes slicing through wind like it's nothing, with resistance up to level 6. That means you can push it harder in gusty conditions, chasing that perfect shot without worrying about getting tossed around. And for those tight maneuvers, enhanced propeller guards that are tougher than ever, built to withstand crashes that would ground lesser drones. It's like DJI is saying, go ahead, fly aggressively, we've got your back. But speed alone isn't enough. You need control that feels intuitive, almost like an extension of your body. That's where the transmission tech comes in. The Avata 3 is expected to rock OcuSync 4.0 or even an upgraded O4 Plus system, dropping latency to under 30 milliseconds. Imagine the responsiveness: your inputs translate instantly, making those hairpin turns feel effortless. Range? Up to 15 kilometers in ideal conditions, which is insane for FPV. Pair that with the DJI Goggles 3, and you're getting crystal clear 1080p feeds that immerse you completely. No more laggy views or drop signals mid-flight. This is FPV evolved. Of course, all this power needs juice, and the battery rumors are just as thrilling. We're talking a larger 3000 mAh plus cell that could push flight times to 25 to 30 minutes per charge. That's a solid 20 to 30% improvement over the Avata 2, giving you more time in the air to nail that epic sequence. And for convenience, quick swap designs and faster charging mean less downtime between sessions. If you're out in the field all day, this could double your productive flying time. But here's the clever part. Leaks suggest smarter power management with AI that optimizes energy based on your flight style, so aggressive maneuvers don't drain you as fast. Speaking of AI, the Avata 3 isn't just about raw specs. It's packed with intelligent features that make flying more accessible and fun. Think 360-degree obstacle avoidance that scans in all directions, keeping you safe even in cluttered environments like urban parks or wooded trails. Active Track 6.0 is rumored to be on board, letting the drone lock onto subjects, like a biker or a runner, and follow them autonomously with precision that borders on magical. One-tap acrobatics. Flips, rolls, and dives executed perfectly with a single command. And for beginners,